Are you on a mission to boost your credit but not sure where to start? Ever pondered which secured credit card offers not just a stepping stone, but a leap towards financial freedom in 2024? You're in for a treat. We're diving deep into the top 5 best secured credit cards of 2024. And let me hint at something special. Our top pick isn't just any card. It's a beacon for those seeking rewards and opportunities to upgrade their financial toolkit. Curious about finding a card that matches your financial goals? Whether it's bypassing upfront deposits, craving easy account management, or earning rewards on every purchase, we've got the inside scoop tailored just for you. So, are you ready to unveil these financial gems and discover which card could be your credit-building champion? Let's not wait any longer. Starting from number 5, we're on a quest to reveal the best of the best, guiding you through choices that light the way to a brighter credit future. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the self-secured Visa credit card. Now, what sets this card apart is its accessibility. Imagine stepping into the credit world without the usual barriers. No upfront deposit, no credit check, nothing to stop you. It does come with a $120 annual fee, but here's the kicker. That fee disappears in the first year if you opt for automatic payments. Though it's missing the rewards component. It's packed with security features like the ability to freeze your card and receive transaction alerts. With a credit limit stretching from $200 to $3,000. This card is a beacon for those at the starting line of their credit journey, offering a no-fuss path to credit building. Sliding into number 4, the Chime Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card shines for its seamless account management. No annual fees here, folks. It's all about simplifying your financial life. Pair it with a Chime checking account and you've got a dynamic duo that makes managing your finances and building credit as easy as pie. While it also skips the rewards, the focus here is on a hassle-free way to keep your credit on the right track. Complete with all the security bells and whistles you'd expect, and a credit limit up to $2,500. It's the financial equivalent of training wheels, designed to keep you upright and moving forward without complications. At number 3, we have the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. This card is a true friend for those looking to rebuild credit. With no annual fee and a reputation for ease of qualification. It's like a helping hand, extending a second chance to those who've stumbled financially. It doesn't offer rewards, but don't let that deter you. The real value lies in its potential to repair your credit through responsible use, backed by security features that keep you in control. Offering a credit limit from $200 to $3,000, it's a solid choice for anyone committed to turning their credit story around. Almost at the top, at number 2, we present the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card. Now, we're talking rewards. Unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. No annual fee, no complicated reward structures, just straightforward cash back on everything you buy. It's a breath of fresh air for those who want a no-fuss approach to earning rewards while building credit. Plus, with security features that keep your account safe and a generous credit limit up to $10,000. It's a standout card for anyone looking to get a little more from their secured card experience. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The crown jewel of our list, the Discover It Secured Credit Card, takes the top spot for 2024. This isn't just a secured card, it's a rewards powerhouse. Imagine getting unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase with quarterly bonus categories that can bump that up to 5%. And if that's not enough to grab your attention, how about a welcome bonus of $200 after spending $500 in the first 3 months? With no annual fee, comprehensive security features, and a credit limit from $200 to $3,000, it's more than a credit card. It's a financial tool designed to reward you at every step as you build or rebuild your credit. Easy to qualify for and with the potential to upgrade to an unsecured card, it's the best friend your wallet could have. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best secured credit cards of 2024. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to rebuild, there's a card here for everyone. Remember, the journey to great credit starts with a single step, and any of these cards could be your perfect companion. For more tips, tricks, and credit wisdom, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Here at CreditWise USA, we're all about empowering you to make wise credit decisions. See you in the next video.